You know, we've been mentioning these like once or twice, and already you guys are jumping on them at QVC.com. 300 orders already placed for, 24 cheesecakes. If you said to me 24 cheesecakes for $16.50, I would say, really? Where do you get 24 cheesecakes for 69 cents a piece? Well, here from Tara, she's got the Mix It Up set of 6 no-bake Rammie cheesecakes. Today, you're gonna get them home for 5 payments of $3.30, and you get free shipping and handling. These are no-bake cheesecakes. If you've got a block of cream cheese and some of the whippy, cooling kind of stuff that you get at the grocery store in your freezer, today we can get you, you can make the no-bake cheesecake in this chocolate, this amazing little chocolate. And we have it for you in the salted caramel, as well as the beautiful strawberry cheesecake. So you could have chocolate cheesecake, you could have strawberry cheesecake, you could have salted caramel cheesecake. It's M71085. Now's your chance to go to QVC.com and get them home for yourself. By the way, we even have an auto delivery available on these, and you can get these every 90 days for a full year. I want to show you the texture of this cheesecake, because you'll say to yourself, wait a minute, that's like real cheesecake, the kind that maybe takes hours to prepare and bake and set and cool. But Tara, how do we do this, my friend?
So easy. And I love what you were just saying. And I love that you don't have to choose. You're going to receive 2 of each, 2 of the chocolate, 2 of the strawberry, 2 of the caramel. And all you do is add a brick of cream cheese, 8 ounces, and 2 cups of that whipped topping. I have already curated the flavors inside that you add to it. So it's literally guiltless. It's a guiltless dessert when you want something sweet that you can control. If you want to use vegan products, you can. If you want to use low-fat products, you can. And what I love about the flavor profiles is the chocolate, which you're showing there, actually is like a base. It's like a blank canvas. You can add chocolate chips to it. You could add peanut butter chips to it. You could add coconut to it. You could add whatever you want to it to actually make it taste exactly like a candy bar. So I love that chocolate cheesecake that you have there. And then let's talk about the strawberry a little bit, because I think strawberry is such an iconic kind of flavor when it comes to cheesecake. And I love that you have the sweet, soft flavor of that strawberry, but then you have the Cool Whip or the whip topping and the cream cheese that cut that so that you get that beautiful whipped consistency that you're showing there. Look at that. Now, if you wanted to put a graham cracker crust, I won't judge you. You could do that. If you wanted to do a chocolate chip or a chocolate, what is that cookie with the white center? You know, that one. If you wanted to do that as a crust, you could do that. Or you can just have a sweet treat for 69 cents and not have any of the calories. And so there are these curated small batch flavors. And the caramel, this is my favorite because I put a little sea salt on top of here, and I have the most decadent, delicious, silky smooth, no-bake Rammie cheesecake you've ever had.
All right, so wait, I'm gonna add just a little drizzle of the caramel right here. Maybe you get a little bit of that sea salt on top. I know, right? This is the, you know what this is? This is love, okay? This is love right over here.
Feel the hug.
Yes, exactly. And you know what I love about it too? Is the fact that you can make it without any of the drama. Right? Like cheesecake, when I was a kid, I remember when my mother made the very first cheesecake, it was like, you would have thought she built a house, right?
With the wall and it's a science project, and you're like, what am I doing?
A lot of work, a lot of work. Here, you get, remember, so you're gonna make 24 desserts total, right? So you get 6 of these packages. So you get how many in each, right? So 6.
2 of each, so you get 6 packages.
Yep.
And each package makes 4
desserts. So you can make 4 desserts in your chocolate, 4 and 4 in your strawberry, 4 and 4 in your salted caramel. Or come on over here, we'll show you some other ideas, because you can make, how many are here? I don't know how many are in here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little ones, right? 12 mini desserts.
Cheesecake. Or you can use a full packet and actually make a full-size cheesecake that we did.
Like right over here.
Yes, right there in our woodland pie dish, by the way. There's a
Ooh.
theme here. But look at how nice that is. You can put any kind of crust that you want or not. You don't have to. So whether you want to do them individually or not, and if you want to pick them up on auto delivery, that's nice too, because then you can always make sure that you have these quick and easy, no fuss, no muss, no big Rammie cheesecake.
Oh, what is this? What is
Those are like
this?
those are turtle cheesecake.
Oh
So
my
use
gosh.
the caramel base there. You could crumble pretzels inside here if you wanted to. So many different things to personalize. And I say, like, there's barely any calories until I get them. And then I'm like, chocolate chips in them. And then there's pretzels. And before you know it, it's a food bomb. But hey, it's delicious and it's quick and easy.
Well, you know what? We deserve it, right?
Yes, we do.
Everybody deserves it. You know, when I think about like my brother and my sister-in-law, they got 4 kids. They're working like double and triple time and then helping them with school and then doing all the cooking and the cleaning and everything at home, right? Everybody deserves it right now. You deserve it. And by the way, it's 69 cents for each of these mini cheesecakes that you make for yourself, right? These personal-sized cheesecakes. Today's your day to get them. $3.30, free shipping and handling. Auto delivery, you get them every 90 days for a full year. More than 1,600 people have placed their order, and I've got 1,400 more people trying to place their orders right now. Please, 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 QVC.com, okay? If you want to get this home before they sell out, we've got chocolate, strawberry, and salted caramel coming to you. M71085 is your item number. I just want to show you the consistency again. I'm going to do it with the strawberry.
I'm quietly eating while you do that.
You know what? I'm jealous.
I have to tell you, well, you stir and you show, and I'll tell you, it is silky, it is light, but it has so much great taste to it. So as smooth and silky as that looks, it is exactly how it tastes.
And you know what?
Wow.
Not artificial tasting. I want to really stress that, right? Like they taste so fresh, like fresh made beautiful. And you're gonna love just the how easy it all comes together. M71085 is your item number. Pick those up before they're all gone because they are going quickly. And take a look at your screen.